Get out the luggage and start packing because we're going to Fort Worth for the weekend. I'm going out for 2.5 days. I'm going to be visiting my daughter who's in school there, and her sorority is having a mom's weekend. That means we're going to have a lot of fun activities. The weather's not supposed to be great, so I don't know if things are going to get canceled or not, but I'm just going to pack for everything just in case. I think they're talking about pickleball and yoga on the lawn and lots of brunches and dinners out. And there's a coffee event at a really cool coffee place. And I'm just really excited about it. So I'm going to pack everything now. I'm going to have to take all sorts of things for cold weather, warm weather, wet weather, whatever it is. I'm so excited also about using my new luggage, and I love this little train case for makeup and toiletries. So can't wait to use that as well. We are about to wrap up the second night of Kappa Delta Moms Weekend. We just had a great dinner at Grace. Now we're going back to the hotel. What's been your favorite part today?
We went to brunch earlier. It was really fun because I got to see my friends and meet their moms, and it was just it was real fun. We will see y'all at the hotel.
So I'm back in the hotel room now after a really fun day. I got to meet a lot of the girls and their moms. Now I'm just taking it easy, getting ready to get some sleep, trying to think about what I'm going to wear tomorrow. The weather is not cooperating. Tomorrow's going to be 53. So I guess I'll figure it out tomorrow. I have not been to very many places for coffee early in the morning where you have a DJ, some loud thumping house music, but it's very fun. We're here at Ampersand.
We're here for a Kappa Delta cab.
We're just drinking coffee all morning long. I got the Snickerdoodle latte with whole milk, decaf. Yeah.
This is it right here.
I'm back home now, and I had such a fun time. Weekends in Fort Worth never disappoint. I loved everything about KD Moms Weekend and all the fun people that I met, and I can't wait to do it all again next year. So thank you for coming along with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.